Yo, what's up everybody? This is Dayton from Killinois Kennels, and today's the day. Today's the day our American Bully Puppies off of our boy God of War here will be for sale. Make sure you guys listen to everything that I'm saying in this video right now. This is going to be very important. The only way to lock in one of these puppies today is to call my phone at 217-280-0151 and talk to me, Dayton, on the telephone. You're gonna have to pay for the dog in full with Cash App or Zelle or both, and that's the only way you'll be able to lock in one of these puppies today. We've been receiving tons of calls already today. I'm talking about my phone has been ringing all morning long, okay? We haven't answered because the puppies ain't for sale. But once we drop this video, there's gonna be a lot of people calling in, and it's gonna be a really high chance that once we drop this video, that my phone will shut down due to all the callers calling in on our phone. If that happens, make sure you guys check the comments of this video. I'm gonna pin it at the top of the comments and let everybody know what's going on, whether my phone is shut off, what pups are sold, what pups are still available, all that stuff. So throughout the day, make sure you guys are checking the top pinned comments on this video, and that way you'll know exactly what's going on, because like I said, sometimes they shut our phones down because we're receiving so many calls. I want to say good luck to everybody, and we can't wait to welcome all you guys to the Killinois family.